Okay, you live here. You didn't know you were VIP. So when you came here, you saw it VIP. There's a freedom. Wow, you're jealous right now. We're 7 months old. Very Oh, really? Thank you so much.
I love your accent. Sing it again.
It's okay, bro. Your friend is not married,
Napainom na si Mark.
Hi, hi. Hi,
Kim,
hello.
Kim,
How are you?
Giro,
You okay?
Giro,
You look like
Giro, Giro.
you look like you're not okay. How old are you? What's your name?
Chichi! Can you say hi to Ate Cathy?
Oh my god. That's so
Kilala niya.
Oh, pa? Hello. Okay, let's wear.
Hi.
I'm a buddy.
Hi.
Ang cute! Kim!
Magkakulit na tayo. Pink ka din. Hindi naka-pink yung shorts.
Yes, I do.
Mas malakas ang boses ko sa'yo.
Hey.
Ayoko kasing rindihin yung mga anchors.
Yes!
Bakit ngayon na naman yung boses ko? Hi, Ate Dani! Hello po! I love kita na maayos. Haha. Hehe. I love seeing kids during our fan signs. So cute. So cute. Ang cute ng bata. Dilan! Dilan! Punta ka dito? Tara dito? Tara dito? Punta ka dito?
Benji, paano kay Ate Kristen? Kristen!
Ang bagay! Crystal! Hello po! Hello to all the anchors and lahat ng nandito sa okay.
Kim!
Thank you for the song. I love it.
Yung TikTok.
I see. So nasa blood niyo pala
siguro
yun.
bukas.
Love it.
Mamaya.
I love that. That Filipino chakra. Chakra.
Marami na graph din ang chakra.
Abangan namin.
Can you say happy birthday to Jim?
Abangan namin ha.
Lapag mo na yan.
By Belinda.
Happy
Team,
birthday to
TikTok.
Jim. Jim.
Happy birthday, Jim. And all will be right in time.
Oh, isa pa, Vinci.
Yung part ni Winsor. Waves overgrown from the calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive. I never thought that I would see the day. Mataas yun, mahirap siya yung part na yun.
Pero kinaya.
Kinaya naman. Kinaya. Kaya din nila ako. I-bridge ko yan. Wala. Buntis ka diba, Kyler?
Ilang months na, Kyler?
Anong pinaglilihian?
Ang course daw yung
Oh!
pinaglilihan.
Sinong ama? I don't know.